In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to delete a credit card from your Shopify account step by step. Whether you want to update your billing information or remove an old payment method, this guide will help you manage your Shopify payment settings easily. First, open your web browser and log into your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're inside your store dashboard, look toward the lower left corner of the screen and click on Settings. Inside the Settings menu, locate and click on Payments. This section contains all the billing and payment methods connected to your Shopify account. Now scroll through your payment methods until you find the credit card currently linked to your account. Next to the card details, you'll usually see 3 dots or an Actions menu. Click on it to open additional options. From here, Shopify may allow you to replace the current card instead of completely removing it, especially if it's the only payment method attached to your account. If you want to update your billing details, simply choose the Replace or Edit option and enter your new card information. It's important to know that Shopify generally requires at least one valid payment method to remain connected to an active subscription. If your goal is to completely remove your credit card and stop using Shopify, go back to the Settings menu and click on Plan. Inside the Plan section, you'll see an option such as Cancel Trial or Cancel Plan depending on your subscription status. Following the cancellation process will end your Shopify subscription and remove the need for an active credit card on the account. Before confirming any cancellation, make sure you review your billing details and back up any important store information if needed. Once you've completed these steps, your payment setup will be updated according to your preferences. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to manage or remove a credit card from Shopify. Thanks for watching and goodbye.